Are your highlights looking too yellow? Meet ColorTech in 9.22. Very light intense pearl blonde. Perfect for toning and correcting unwanted yellow tones. This shade helps transform brassy highlights into a soft, pearly finish for a more refined and luminous look. With advanced repair technology, it not only colors but also helps care for your hair. And the best part? There are 100 shades available, so you can fully customize your tone. After styling, protect your hair from heat damage by using Care Active Protect. Mixing ratio. Mix 1 part of color plus 1.5 parts of 20 volume developer for optimal results.